Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'd like to show you how to create a timetable template. So firstly, let's navigate to classes and then to timetable. Once I'm here, I'd like to create a timetable template. And on this page, I'd see all of the timetable templates I've created before. So let's click on Add Timetable, give it a name, and select which days the timetable is for. So let's say during Ramadan, the classes will start at 10 a.m. and they will last 3 hours. You can set a location here and a subject here if you want to, and then select register is taken to be able to take register for this particular class. Then click add class timing and then add timetable. Now you've just created a template that can be applied to multiple classes all at once. So now let's go to the top right corner and navigate to classes, class timetable. I can then click on assign templates to classes, then select the template we just created and assign it between a set of dates. This way, this particular template will only apply during these dates. Then I can select the classes that I want to apply it to, and then click this gray button, apply to selected classes and customize. And then class by class, I can set the teachers if there are different teachers taking the classes for those days. And if I don't select anything and leave it as a default, then the main teacher will be taking the register for these classes. Once that's done, click on Save Timetable at the bottom. And now class timings have been applied to the classes successfully. I can click on the See Class Timetable button and I'll be able to see that all of these have been created for the particular weekends. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with the support team and they'll be happy to assist you.